The Wisconsin Supreme Court just threw a massive curveball in the Democratic primary by saying, hey, you gotta put Representative Dean Phillips on the ballot.
The court ruled today, allowing the U.S. congressman to add his name to the primary ballot. The ruling says the Presidential Selection Committee didn't properly exercise their discretion by taking Phillips' name off without a discussion in a 5-minute meeting early last month.
This is like telling the party insiders they can't just ignore the new kid on the block who's daring to challenge President Joe Biden.
Some people have asked me that I not use their names because of this institutional fear that it might impact you down the road. This is the time to meet the moment.
Talk about a plot twist. So, here's the deal. Phillips isn't just any congressman dreaming of the Oval Office. He's the thorn in the side of the Democratic establishment fighting tooth and nail to get his name in front of voters. Think of him as that plucky underdog in every feel-good movie, except this time, he's armed with a legal brief in a lawsuit against the Wisconsin Elections Commission. The court's decision? It's like that big courtroom reveal in a legal drama where the underdog's argument hits home and the gallery erupts into applause. But wait, there's more to this story than just legal battles. Phillips, he's part of a band of rebels, including author and spiritual guru Marianne Williamson and the host of the Young Turks, who are all saying enough to being sidelined.
So here's the deal, guys. Joe Biden's going to lose. I hate to break your heart, but he's at 33%. If you say, no, I saw him at a poll at 36 or 38, it doesn't matter. No incumbent that has been in the 30s in an election year has ever come back to it, not just for president, for any federal office. It's already over. What we're trying to do is snap you out of it because we're going to lose to Trump. I think democracy is on the line. And these folks are canceling the elections and primaries when their tagline is democracy is on the line. No, there's no way Joe Biden can win. He is 19 points lower than when he won last time. 19 points.
Together, they're challenging the status quo, making this primary race feel more like a blockbuster rebellion against the political elite. Despite the odds, Phillips is sticking to his guns. Even after the modest slice of the vote that he got in New Hampshire, he's not backing down.
Some people are saying you're pushing Donald Trump toward the White House, possibly taking away some of Nikki Haley's votes. A lot of independents that I spoke to said they wanted to vote for you. What do you have to say about that? She could have possibly been a lot closer had those independents voted for her.
No, and by the way, I think the country would be much happier with a Nikki Haley-Dean Phillips matchup this November. And that's what we're hearing. I know she's hearing that. I'm hearing the same thing. 70
Like on the same ticket, or?
Well, no, I'm not saying the same ticket. No, I said against each other.
It's as if he's channeling his inner Rocky, bound to fight as long as it takes for a face-off with Trump. You can't help but admire the guy's moxie. And when the Wisconsin Supreme Court sided with him, Phillips' campaign didn't just celebrate. They threw shade like it was going out of style, blasting those anti-democratic attempts to keep their guy off the ballot. This isn't just a victory lap, it's a mic drop moment that screams, take that, establishment. This whole saga is more than a political tussle. It's a testament to the power of perseverance and challenging the powers that be. It's turning the 2024 Democratic primary into a must-see TV, with each new development adding layers to an already gripping narrative. So grab your popcorn, folks, because the political drama is far from over, and something tells me the best is yet to come. As always, good people, goodbye.